Sa laro wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan, palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga dapat malakas ang katawan, dahil sa larong ito ay bawal ang mahina. Kailangan matatag ka sa bawat pinapakita ng iyong angking galing. Sige salaksakin hanggang sa iyong marating. Malapit na ang ring, hanggat hawak mo ang bola sige lang itira. Mahaba pa ang oras, may natitira pang tsansa. Maging agresibo at samahan ng kumpiyansa. Dapat ay handa ka sa pinasok mo na liga.
Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Iyong ipakita kung gano'ng kagaling. Pag hawak na ang bola siguradong may mararating. Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Kanilang makikita-kita kung gano'ng kakabangis pagdating sa ring.
Dito sa Velvet League, sagana sa liga, kaya ang mga kabataan bisyo lang ay bola, malayo sa droga. Dahil layunin namin dito ay magkaisa.
And welcome dito sa ating first quarter of the game. Kuya Words versus SCBA. Aguila. Pass to number 18. Matatapikan dito ni number 14. And there's Atico. For long three, number 12, no good. David, secure the ball. Back to David. And there's number 14, Thailand. Easy 2 points by Thailand. Abad, dribbling the ball. Aguila maagawan, and there's number 25, Manarang. Atico, long pass to number 27. Mabibitawan ng bola. Out of bounds. Ang ball possession dito sa Kuya Word. Thailand to the bid. Maistilan, and there's Atico dribbling the ball. Long pass. Thailand for the inbound. Pass to Manarang. There's Atico. Bilya. Abad. To Atico. Mabibitawan ng bola. David. Secure the ball. Pass to the number 6. To number 10. Full up for 2. Oh, good. Follow-up shot by Deluna. Easy basket. Atico dribbling the ball. Long pass to number 12 pero makakukuha ni Deluna. And there's number 25 Manarang. Thailand to number 10. 2 points para sa number 10. Kuya Word. Custodio dribbling the ball. Number 18 Jagger. Short. Number 10 number 25 number 14. Thank you. Number 25, Abad. To Atico. Green ball pa din. Aguila. To Villamor. Oh, good. Manarang. Secured the rebound. And there's Manarang. Finger roll. 12-0 ang ating score dito. And we have 6 minutes and 32 seconds. And here, Thailand. Basket count and fouled by number 18. Atico. And here's the replay. Thailand in the free throw line para sa kanyang 3-point play. No good. Pero makakukuha niya pa rin ang bola. Pass to De Luna. To number 10. Alley-oop play by David. No good. De Luna for the follow-up shot. At mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kuponan ng SCBA. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Okay.
Marunong ka ba niyan? And welcome back to our ball game. 16-0. Di pa nakaka-score dito ang SCBA Project. And here's Tico to Abad. To number 8, Aguila. Villamor, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Abad. To number 18, Atico. Pull up for 3, no good. David secured the ball. Pass to number 10, and there's number 10 for 2. Easy 2 points. Number 25, Abad. Fouled by number 10, Rivera. Abad. To Villamor, no good. Long pass. Makukuha ni Aguila ang bola. And there's number 8, Aguila for 2. No good pa din. David, secure the ball. Bibigay kay Rivera. Rivera, pull up for 3. No good. Rebound by number 27. Pass to Abad. Abad, matatapikan. De Luna makakakuha. David. Atico. Pick up the ball. Wala pa din. Stepping on the line ng bola dito sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. And we have 4 minutes and 38 seconds. David, pass to Rivera, back to David. To Manarang, and there's Manarang. Lay up. 20-0 ang ating score. And there's Aguila. Aguila. No, it's number 3. De Leon fouled by Rivera. De Leon, pass to Abad. Aguila for 3, no good. Thailand, secure the ball. Long pass to number 25, Manarang for 2, no good. And Manarang fouled by number 25, Abad. We have 4 minutes and 1 seconds. First free throw para kay Manarang. Basket. Second free throw. No good. Pero makukuha dito. Stepping on the line. 21-0 ang ating score. De Leon. Pass to Abad. Back to De Leon. And there's Odihar. Give to Villamor. No good. And there's David. To Thailand. To number 25, Manarang. No good. De Luna. Easy shot by De Luna. Abad. Pass to Villamor. Villamor. To Aguila. To Odihar. Pass for 3. No good. Thailand. Secured the rebound. Long pass to Manarang for 2. Basket. 2 points by Manarang. There's Abad. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Villamor again. No good. David. Makakakuha ng bola. David, atake for 2. No good. Aguila, secure the ball. Number 14, Thailand. Pull up for 3. 3 points para kay Thailand. We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Still, SCBA. 0 score. And Keywords have 28 points. Abad. To number 12, Villamor. 3 points para kay Villamor. At ito ang unang puntos ng SCBA. No good. Aguila. Pass to Odihar. And there's Odihar. To Aguila. Pass for 3. No good. De Leon. Makakakuha. Villamor. Pull up for 3. Wala pa din. Thailand. To De Luna. De Luna. Top board. No good. Manarang. Wala pa din. Abad. Long pass. Wala. And there's Tagigi. Pass to Thailand. Back to Tagigi. And there's Manarang. Alley-oop. And there's Aguila. Still by Manarang. Villamor. Mabibitawan. Atigo mabibitawan ng bola. At ang bola dito sa Kuya Word. And we have 53 seconds dito sa ating first quarter. De Luna to Tagigi. Basket count. And fouled by number 8, Aguila.
Fouled by number 8. Third personal foul. 30 foul.
Tagigi in the free throw line para sa kanyang complete 3 and 3-point play. No basket. Makukuha dito ni Thailand ng bola. To Tagigi. What a combination. Odihar fouled by number 14, Thailand. Atiko. Villamor, no good. De Luna, masyadong malakas ang pasa.
20 seconds.
Last 20 seconds. Atico to Villamor. Villamor, masyadong malakas ang pasa, di makukuha. De Luna. Here's Manarang. To Taguige. Basket count. And this is the end of our first quarter. 36-3 ang ating score in favor of Kuya Word. And we are back dito sa ating second quarter of the game. Villamor to Atico. Custodio makakakuha. And there's Villamor for two, no good. Shot clock violation. Rojas. Pass to Garcia. Number 1 to Rojas, and there's Rojas, lay up. 2 points by Rojas. Atico. Makukuha dito no number 11 Garcia to number 1 Bigal. Atico to number 9. Odihar to number 3. De Leon, no good. Villamor to number 9. Kukuhanin ni Bigal, mabibitawan ng bola. Odihar magre-receive. Villamor. Out of bounds again. Villamor for the inbound. Pass to Odihar. Back to Villamor. Odihar. Mabibitawan Bigal. Steal the ball. And De Leon, ma-stealan dito si Bigal.
Number 3.
2 points by number 3 De Leon. Number 11 Garcia dribbling the ball. Back to number 11. To Rojas. Pull up for 3, no good. Rebound by Bigal. Alley-oop play by number 11 Garcia to Rojas. 2 points para kay Rojas. And there's Villamor. Pass to Odihar. Odihar. Pass to Villamor. And there's De Leon for 3, for 2, no good. Garcia secured the ball. Long pass. And there's number 15. No basket. Fouled by number 3, De Leon. Dave, tago mo na to. Dave, angat mo na to sa taas. Tingin pa ako isa.
May tissue kayo dyan?
Thank you for the rebound. To De Leon, mga i-steal dito. Number 15. And fouled again by number 3, De Leon.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Olisa in the free throw line. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again. There's Aguila. Ma-i-steal ni Rojas ang bola, matatapikan. Same ball pa din.
Same ball.
De Leon. To Aguila.
Number 25.
To Abad. Aguila. Fouled by number 11, Garcia.
First personal foul. First team foul. Team foul.
Number 26 to number 11, Garcia. To Bigal for 2. Atiko. To Usana. Ang pass makukuha ni Atiko. To number 25, Abad. No basket. Olisa secured the ball. Garcia. Pass to Bigal again. 2 points para kay Bigal. Still ulit. Garcia. 2 points by Garcia. De Leon. 25. Abad. Aguila for 3. No good. Atiko. Pass to Odihar. Pass to De Leon. Pick for 2. No basket. And there's Osana. To Rojas. Binigay kay Garcia. To Bigal. Dribbling the ball. Rojas. Pull up for 3. Basket. 3 points para kay Rojas. Abad. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Odihar. Pass for 3. No good. And Rojas secured the ball. Pass to Garcia. Rojas to Olisa. Olisa for 2. No good. And there's Bigal. No good. But fouled by number 25, Abad.
Foul by number 25.
First free throw, basket. Bigal. Second free throw, no good. And there's Abad, pass to Atiko. Atico to Aguila, no good. And there's Garcia. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Rojas. Rojas pull up for 3. They're good. And there's Bigal. For 2. Basket. 2 points para kay Bigal. Odihar. Pass to Abad. Mai-steal dito ng number 1 na si Bigal. Bigal. For 2. No good. Pass to number 18. Atico. To number 25. 2 points para kay Abad. Rojas. Atake. Rojas. Left-handed layup. No good. And there's number 26. Osana. For 2 points. Makakukuha ni Osana ang bola. Out of bounds. At ang possession ng bola dito sa Kuya Word. Aguila. So De Leon. De Leon fouled by number 26. Osana. And we have 3 minutes and 22 seconds dito sa ating second quarter. Abad. To De Leon. Pass to Villamor. Villamor for 3. No good. Bigal. May hawak ng bola. And Bigal. For 2, no good. Makakuha ni Rojas. Garcia. To Rojas. Pull up for 3. Stepping on the line. Abad. Pass to Aguila. Aguila, atake. For 2. No good. Olisa. Makakukuha ang pasa dito ni Aguila. And there's Odihar. Abad, 3 points.
3 points by number 25.
And there's number 11, Garcia. Bigal, layup, no good. Makakukuha ni Ulisa ang bola. Follow-up shot. And there's Bigal for the inbound. Pass to number 26 to Bigal. Offensive foul by number 1, Bigal.
By number 1.
And there's De Leon for the inbound. Abad. Back to De Leon. Makakukuha dito ni Bigal. Lays up. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 38 seconds dito sa ating second quarter. Aguila. Aguila for 2. No good. Ang makakakuha dito si Rojas. Bigal. Atake na naman. Libre-libre. 2 points para kay Bigal. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Abad. Pass to Villamor. For 3, no good. And there's Aguila for 3. Oh, good. Number 26. Osana. Pass to Garcia. And there's Garcia. Dribbling the ball. To Bigal. Olisa. Pull up for 2. No good. Olisa ulit. 2 points by Olisa. Last 40 seconds.
Remaining time 40 seconds.
And there's Bigal dribbling the ball. Pass to Rojas.
30 seconds.
Rojas for long 3. No good. And there's De Leon. Pass to Abad. Dribbling the ball. Last 20 seconds. Abad. Pass to Villamor for 2. No good. Rebound by Bigal. And there's Bigal. Last 10 seconds. For 2. No good. And there's Olisa for 2. Pero mauubos na ang oras dito sa ating second quarter. At ang ating score, 66-9 in favor of Kuya Ward.
Ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo,
The ball is still dribbling here in Bagong Bayan Basketball Court. Naglalaban ngayon ang koponan ng SCBA Project laban sa Kuya Ward X Pinsanity with a halftime score of 66-9. The ball is in favor of Kuya Ward X Pinsanity since yesterday, kaya naman they are aiming to get that consecutive win by taking the lead on their match today. They are putting constant pressure onto their opponent to secure their second win in this league. Will Kuya Ward X Pinsanity win this match? Malalaman natin yan, kaya tutok lang dito sa ating live. At para naman sa panayam at sa istorya mula sa kabilang grupo, nandito ang aking co-courtside reporter na si Shara. Shara?
Thank you, Diana. Huwag mag-focus sa score o sa panalo. Mag-focus kayo sa development. Yan ang tinatatak ni Coach Dato sa SCBA project players. Dahil gusto ni Coach Dato na matuto pa ang kanyang team sa kung paano lalabanan ng depensang pinibigay ng kabilang koponan. SCBA project is now in the phase of mastering the basic and overcoming their own pressures. And sa ngayon, pinag-aralan at inalam talaga nila ang abilities ng kanilang kalaban. Through that, they created a strategy upang masabayan ang play ng kabilang team. What kinds of improvements pa kaya ang may papakita ng SCBA project in this league? Tutok lang sa ating live for you to watch their whole performance. Now, back to the ball game.
ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet League. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito
We are back dito sa third quarter of the game. Number 31. No, number 16. Fouled by number 27.
Basket for Sander. Basket again.
And there's number 8, Aguila. Pass to Villamor for 3, no good.
Rebound by number 17.
And there's De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Wrong pass, makukuha ni Aguila ang bola. Aguila to Villamor. 2 points by Villamor.
For 17-11. 17.
There's number 92. For 2, no good. Odihar. Dribbling the ball. Odihar fires for 3. 3 points by Odihar. De La Cruz receiving the ball.
Foul by just number 3.
And Pantoy fouled by number 3, De Leon. Pantoy in the free throw line.
Basket.
Second free throw para kay Pantoy. Pantoy for the second free throw. No good again. Makukuha dito. Nirepil ang bola. 2 points. Bantoy makakakuha. And there's Bantoy again. De La Cruz for 2. Basket. 2 points para kay De La Cruz.
Basket. Intercept by just 92. Physical goal.
De Leon fires for 3. Very good. Odihar for the follow-up shot. 2 points by Odihar. Jude De La Cruz. Pass to number 30. No good. Odihar pass to Villamor. Villamor to De Leon. De Leon to Odihar. To number 18, Atico. Atico for 2, no good. Atico again. Good ball.
Same ball.
Atico to De Leon. Pass to Villamor. Villamor to Odihar for 3, no good. Rebound by Tolentino. Pass to De La Cruz. Dribbling the ball. No good. Villamor. May hawak ng bola. Villamor to Odihar. Back to Odihar. Pass to De Leon. De Leon for 2. No good. And there's Atico for 2 points. There's number 92, no good. Villamor may hawak ng bola. Makakuha ni number 17, Repil. And there's Tolentino. 2 2 points by Tolentino. Atico. Pass to Custodio. To Villamor. To Odihar. Back to Villamor. Villamor. Pull up for 3. No good. Rebound by number 92, Tolentino. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. To refill. Fouled by number 27, Custodio. Refill in the free throw line para sa kanya 2 shots. Refill. No good. Dalangin, matatawagan doon ng foul. Enders. Odihar dribbling the ball. To pass to De Leon, to Villamor. Enders Abad, pull up for 3. No good. Refill makakakuha ng bola. Enders De La Cruz. Pass to refill, tatama sa ilalim. Pero makakukuha pa rin nila. Side step, no good. Enders De Leon. Pass to Villamor. To Odihar. Back to Villamor. Mabibitawan. Tolentino may hawak ng bola. Enders Tolentino. Layup. No good. Rebound by Odihar. Pass to Villamor. Enders Villamor. To Custodio. Basket count. 2 points para kay Custodio. De La Cruz. Pull up for 3. No good. Custodio. To Abad. Matatapik dito ni Tolentino ang bola. Enders. Tolentino to refill. 2 points by Tolentino. De Leon. To Villamor. For 3. No good. Atico to Abad. De Leon. Back to Abad. Binabantayan ni Bandoy. Back to De Leon. Shot clock violation by SCBA Project. We have 2 minutes and 59 seconds dito sa ating third quarter of the game. 81-20 ang ating score. Silva. May hawak ng bola. Back to Silva and years. Refill. Pull up for 2. No good. Makukuha ni Silva pero out of the baseline. And Aguila to Abad. Enders Abad. To Custodio. Bibigay kay De Leon. To Odihar. To De Leon. To Odihar for 2. Basket. 2 points para kay Odihar. Silva dribbling the ball. Mabibitawan ng bola. Same ball pa din. Tolentino. Pull up for 3. Oh, good. Adihar, secure the ball. Pass to Aguila. Abad. To Aguila. Ibibigay kay Aguila for 3. No good. Custodio. To Adihar for 2. No good. Repeal to number 13, Bantoy. Bibitawan. Aguila to Abad. To Custodio. Pasok pa din. 2 points para sa number 27. Tolentino. Pass to number 30. Number 27, Custodio, good ball. And number 5, Silva. Out of bounds. Aguila dribbling the ball. Last 46 seconds. De Leon to Abad. Pull up for 3. No good. Dalangin makakakuha ng bola. Dalangin maiipit. And Dalangin fouled by number 25, Abad. Last 30 seconds. Silva for 3. 3 points para kay Silva. And there's ODR spin. Pero wala. Silva. Pass to Tolentino. And there's Tolentino. Mabibitawan. And there's Aguila. For 3. No good. At dito nagtatapos ang ating third quarter of the game. 24-84 in favor of Kuya Word.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang
And we are back to our fourth and final quarter. Villamor, may steal ang pasa. Silva, side step to the reverse. No good. Aguila secure the ball. Pass to number 18. Atico to Aguila for 3. No good. Silva. Pass to Dalangin. Last touch by Dalangin. At ang possession ng bola dito sa SCBA Project. Aguila to De Leon. Back to Aguila. Masusundutan. Makukuha dito. Anders. 2 points by number 16, De La Cruz. Custodio. Binigay kay De Leon. Pull up for 3. No good.
Loose ball foul by just number 16. First personal foul.
Number 16. Offensive foul. Custodio for the inbound. Pass to Atico.
Number 18.
For 2. No good.
Just number 16.
There's De La Cruz. Again, 2 points. And De La Cruz, makaka-steal pa. Tolentino. Manarang. It's Manarang. 2 points. Aga ulit. Number 23. For 2. Basket. Number 23.
Number 23.
Napaganda pa yung tira doon eh. Arreglado. And there's Villamor. Dribbling the ball. Pinabantayan. Makukuha dito ni Manarang. Manarang. Layup. 2 points by Manarang. And there's number 18. Atico. Atico to De Leon. For 2. No good. De Leon to Abad. No good again. Long pass, Silva to number 25. Manarang. Inalog. Number 25 again. No good. Number 18 to number 25. Abad. Wala. Arreglado. To De La Cruz. And there's De La Cruz. To Dalangin. No good. Silva, layup, kinapos. Manarang, 2 points. Before we end this fourth and final quarter, and nice ko lang yung shoutout dito ang San Pablo City Referee Association of Laguna. Referees ng mga champion. Palike po and follow na rin po ng kanilang page. Referees ng mga champion. And shout out sa ating all live viewers today. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At nais ko lamang pong batiin ang lahat ng ating special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines. Sponsored by Kape Amarillo. Blue Steel City Councilor Juan Carmela Acevedo with the Acevedo Optical. JEJ Autocar Services. Tinas Takoyaki. At kay Mr. Chairman Robbie Narbaha. And this Velvet Tea San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated. By Mr. JJ Maghirang. And we are back to our ball game. Manarang. To De La Cruz. No good. Abad. To De Leon. Mabibitawan ng bola. We have 6 minutes and 10 seconds dito sa ating fourth quarter. Out of bounds at ang bola sa SCBA Project. Tico for the inbound. Pass to Abad. Makakukuha dito ni Dalangin.
SCBA ball.
Tsaka 2B.
And there's number 12, Villamor for 2. No good. Rebound by Silva. Long pass to Manarang, pero hindi makakuha. Number 18, Atico. To number 25. Layup. No good. Silva again. Rebound. Pass to Olisa.
Basket, just number
Basket by number 15, Olisa. And there's number 12, Villamor. Wala pa din. Olisa secured the ball. Pass to number 23. Areglado. To Dalangin. Oh, good. And there's Manarang. Manarang. Wala pa din. Rebound by Atico. And there's number 27, Custodio. Dribbling the ball. Wala pa din. Villamor. For 2. Wala pa rin. Villamor again. For 2. Wala pa rin pero makakakuha ng foul. By number 23. Areglado. And we have 4 minutes and 26 seconds dito sa ating fourth and final quarter.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Villamor in the free throw line. Second free throw, no basket. Rebound by number 15. Number 25, Manarang. Easy points by Manarang. Odihar for 3. No good. To De Leon. No good. Areglado. Dribbling the ball. And there's Areglado. Atake. Offensive foul by number 23, Areglado.
Second personal foul.
Odihar. Number 8, Aguila to Villamor. Fires for 3. No good. And there's De Leon for 2. No good. Pantoy. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Olisa. Layup. 2 points by Olisa. 104-100. 4-26 ang ating score. In favor of Kuya Word. Villamor. To Abad for 3. 3 points para kay Abad. Dalangin. Hindi niya makakuha. Matatapik dito ng number 25 ng SCBA na si Abad. At ang bola ay dito pa rin sa Kuya Word. There's Olisa. Olisa for 2. Olisa no good. But fouled by number 9, Odihar.
Foul by number 9. First personal foul. First team foul. Basket.
Olisa for the second free throw. Basket. De Leon to Abad. To Odihar. No good. Rebound by Silva. Silva for 2. 2 points by Silva. And there's Abad. Easy 2 points by Abad. Silva. To Areglado. No good. Olisa. Atake. Layup. Olisa 2 points.
Foul by jersey number 23. Third personal foul.
We have last 2 minutes dito sa ating fourth quarter. Villamor to Abad. Layup.
Easy layup by jersey number 25.
Last touch. Ang ball possession dito sa Kuya Word. Silva. Dribbling the ball. Alley-oop. Play by number 15, Ulisa. De Leon. Layup. 2 points by De Leon. Bantoy to Dalangin. Dalangin for 3, no good. Ulisa. Pass to Dalangin. And there's De Leon. To Abad. Layup. Wala pa rin. Bantoy makakakuha ng bola. There's Bantoy. Makakukuha ni Areglado. Areglado for 2. 2 points by Areglado.
By jersey number 23.
Villamor for 3. No good.
Remaining time just 2 seconds.
Olisa, no good. Areglado. Olisa again, no good. Number 9, Odihar. Fouled by number 23, Areglado. Last 16 seconds.
Penalty. Remaining time 16 seconds. Official score 140-35 in favor of Kuya Word Specialty.
Odihar. First free throw. Oh, basket. And for his last free throw. Oh, good. Basket. Toy. For the last 10 seconds. For 3, no